In this video, I show you how to fix Google Photos cannot play video problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Google Photos. Tap on Google Photos. Up to date your Google Photos app if available any update version. Now go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Now search for Photos. Tap on Photos. Tap on Force Stop. Tap on OK. Tap on Storage and Cache. Manage Space. Delete. Now open Photos app. Now I hope that this method fix Google Photos cannot play video problem. If this method not working for you, you have to install another video player. Now I hope that you fix your problem.